I'm Michael Herrera. I'm the proud executive director of Upper Bucks County Technical School. We have an amazing school, a very supportive business community. Our job is to prepare all students that they're ready for the workforce of both today's and future. We are strong proponents of virtual reality at Upper Bucks County Technical School. We believe that virtual reality allows our students to explore, gain confidence from early on in the program, and it provides exposure. So for us, we want to make sure that students pick the right program, and a lot of that has to do with both interest, aptitude, and exposure. Without question, virtual reality allows that to occur. Students are comfortable growing up with technology, be able to explore different career paths, gain an understanding of the technical skills needed, and it's been a blessing for us. So a variety of our different programs use it, including automotive technology, our dental program, healthcare, HVAC, carpentry, construction, all benefit from zSpace. As a director, one of the most important things that we look for in all of our classrooms is engagement and learning. And what we found through zSpace is our students that are involved with that are engaged. When we talk to them, they love the fact that they can explore. The teachers love zSpace because they have the ability to count this as an excellent tool in their toolbox. It allows the students to demonstrate knowledge and proficiency in virtual reality before moving into the shop area. So we found that the skills gap now is increasing, that these tools are invaluable of giving students the ability, the confidence to enter these career paths where they may not have had a parent or a relative involved. So we love the fact that in a safe environment, taking students' natural curiosities and finding, I have the ability to be successful in these career paths based on my success with the virtual reality and zSpace specifically. I believe that the potential for zSpace as a career tool, a career assessment, is invaluable.